In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create wedding invitations in Canva. If you're planning a wedding and want your invitations to look polished, elegant, and truly print ready, Canva makes the process much easier than trying to build everything from scratch in a basic document editor. A lot of invitation problems start with the wrong canvas size, poor spacing, or text placed too close to the edge. So the goal here is to set things up correctly from the beginning and keep the design clean and readable. To get started, open Canva from the homepage and go to the top right corner where you'll see the Create a Design button. Click that, then choose Custom Size from the menu. Before entering your dimensions, switch the unit from pixels to inches. This is important because wedding invitations are usually designed for physical printing, and working in inches helps you match real cardstock sizes accurately. Enter your preferred invitation size, for example, 5 inches wide by 7 inches high. Then click Create New Design to open your project. Once the blank canvas appears, the next thing you want to do is turn on the tools that help protect your layout. Go to the File menu at the top, open View Settings, and enable Show Rulers and Guides as well as Show Margins. This gives you a visible safe zone on the page. It's especially useful for invitations because decorative borders, script fonts, and important event details can easily get trimmed if they sit too close to the edge during printing. Now it's time to choose a design foundation. On the left side of Canva, open the Design or Templates panel and use the search bar to look for a style that matches your wedding theme. You might search for something elegant and floral, something minimalist and modern, or something rustic and classic. Browse the options and click on a template you like to apply it to your canvas. Starting with a well-built template saves time and gives you a professional layout to work with. After that, begin customizing the text. Click into the main headline area and replace the placeholder text with the couple's names. Keep that main title prominent and visually elegant. Then use the toolbar at the top to refine your font choices. A script font works beautifully for names or monograms, while a cleaner serif or sans serif font helps make the date, venue, and other details easy to read. The key is to create a clear text hierarchy so guests naturally know where to look first, second, and third. Before exporting, review everything carefully. Make sure no text crosses the margin guides, all event information is correct, and no placeholder elements are left behind. Then click Share in the top right corner, choose Download, and change the file type to PDF print. Also enable crop marks and bleed so the final file is prepared for professional printing. Once that's done, click Download and save your finished invitation. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next